Once upon a time, in a world full of sunshine and green leaves, lived a curious little girl named Lily. She loved to play in her garden, watching the plants grow taller each day. One sunny morning, Lily asked her grandma, "Grandma, how do plants get their food? Do they eat like us?" Grandma smiled warmly. "That's a wonderful question, Lily. Plants have a very special way of making their own food. It's called photosynthesis, and it's like magic." Lily's eyes widened. "Photosynthesis? What's that?" "Well," Grandma began, "imagine the sun is a giant chef in the sky, and the plants are its little kitchens. The plants use sunlight as energy, just like our ovens use electricity. They also take in water from the soil through their roots, like drinking a big glass of water. And from the air, they breathe in something called carbon dioxide, which we breathe out. Inside their leaves, plants have tiny green parts called chlorophyll, which are like tiny solar panels. Chlorophyll captures the sunlight and mixes it with the water and carbon dioxide. Together, they cook up delicious, sugary food for the plant to grow big and strong." Lily giggled. "So, the sun helps them make sugar?" "Exactly," Grandma nodded. "And as a wonderful bonus, when plants make their food, they also release oxygen. Oxygen is the fresh air that we and all animals need to breathe to live. So, plants are not just making food for themselves. They're also making the air we breathe clean and fresh." Lily looked at a big green leaf. "So, this leaf is like a tiny food factory and an air freshener?" "You got it," Grandma said, giving her a hug. "Isn't nature amazing?" Lily thought for a moment. "But Grandma, do we have photosynthesis in our bodies too?" Grandma chuckled gently. "That's a very clever thought, Lily, but no, humans don't do photosynthesis. Our bodies work differently. We need to eat food, like fruits, vegetables, and grains, to get our energy. We can't make our own food from sunlight, water, and air like plants do. We rely on plants and animals that eat plants for our energy. So, in a way, the sun's energy still helps us, because it helps the plants grow the food we eat." Lily understood. "So, plants are super important because they make food and air for everyone." "They are indeed, my dear," Grandma agreed. "That's why we must always take care of our plants and trees." From that day on, Lily looked at her garden with new eyes. She saw the leaves as busy little kitchens, working hard to feed themselves and give clean air to the world. She understood the incredible power of the sun and the magic of photosynthesis. Every time she took a deep breath of fresh air, she remembered the plants and their amazing work. Lily felt a deep appreciation for every green leaf, knowing they were silently making life possible. She learned that even the smallest leaf plays a huge role in the grand scheme of life, and she promised herself to always protect and cherish the green wonders of her world. The sun continued to shine, and the plants continued their magical work, thanks to photosynthesis. Lily grew up, always remembering the secret power of the sun and the plants.